ClamTK, antivirus for Linux. And yes, it exists. Linux, as any other operating system, can suffer from maleficent code. Although viruses and malwares are not so imminent danger like in case of Windows, antivirus for Linux is still a reasonable option. But from the perspective of Linux user, it's far more important that your system is regularly updated and that your firewall is configured well. Antivirus can be useful if you are exchanging files with Windows systems, you are running file servers and things like that. And ClamTK can easily be installed on many distributions directly from App Store, like in this case. First thing, go to settings and check your preferences. Then smart option is to check update assistant and make sure that this option is selected. I would like to update signatures myself. Go back and now on update, check for updates. By the way, ClamTK is not like antivirus systems on Windows. It's not going to slow down your machine or anything. It's more like helper that is going to check your directories and files. And you can even set scheduler. If you check on network, you can set proxy. You can have whitelist on some directories and files. And finally, let me show you how it works. Check on scan a directory or a file, doesn't matter. I'm going to find some directory. No threat found. It's simple as that. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe and see ya!